takes flight at dawn, through golden fields where dreams are drawn. Feathers glowing in morning's hue, a whisper of hope in skies so blue. Minnesota winds, they sing her name, a barn owl's grace, a gentle flame. She soars above the world, her stage, wisdom ageless, free from cage. Oh, Piper, glide through the air, soft wings weaving stories rare. The world below, it stops to stare. Piper the owl, beyond compare. By the owl center's watchful gaze, she dances in the sun's warm rays, guiding hearts with her silent flight, a symbol of peace through day and night. In the hush of dusk, her calling's clear, a melody that all can hear, through forest deep